Hi, and thank you for watching. So for today's video, we are going to talk all about Chanel products. This is about makeup, and I just wanted to talk about every product I own from Chanel. If you are a subscriber already, hi, welcome back, and thank you so much for your support. And if you are new here, welcome. I hope this channel's to your liking, and please subscribe if it is. So let's talk all about Chanel.
Don't you hustle me out, young lady. This is Chanel.
Chanel was my first luxury purchase ever. I had been collecting Nordstrom gift cards for literally 7.5 years. Just little ones here and there. Like, that's all I ask for Christmas, birthdays, whatever. What would you like? What would you like? It's always Nordstrom gift cards. And my first luxury purchase ever, espadrilles right here. I actually have a vlog where I purchased those. The purses easily run you $3-4 grand, but the makeup is just as luxurious and will make you feel really bougie and nice. My makeup is all done, obviously, and I'm wearing what I'm going to be talking about today. So this brush is like my favorite brush. This is the Chanel curved powder brush. I love this dearly. I use this on my under eye, which is my favorite part of my makeup. So the pressure's on. I really want good products and good tools when I'm going right here. I do like 5,000 shades lighter than my foundation on my under eye, and I just use this brush right here, and the curve just goes so perfectly in the under eye like this. I love this brush so much. It doesn't apply too much product. If you have too much powder right here, then you might look cakey. I don't super have that problem because I am more on the oily side and my face can like absorb the powder. Like, I don't ever look like a beignet. I don't look like I'm dusted with powdered sugar or anything like that, but this brush applies so perfectly. Not only do I apply the setting powder, I bake with a loose powder as well, and I just brush it off with this, and it is just so perfect. The bristles are light and fluffy. It is just so soft, and it's not itchy. I don't care how good a brush is, it's just no good to me if it itches. This brush is so soft, and it feels really nice to apply. It applies the perfect amount of makeup, and I just love this brush. This is one of my favorite products. Not necessary. None of these products are necessary. It's just a really luxury item, but I love that I have this. And then this is a newer product. This is the Natural Finish Loose Powder Poudre Universelle Libre. Is that correct? I don't know. This is in the color 40 Doré Translucent 3. It is just a fine milled finishing powder. After I go in with my liquid foundation, I just use my powder brush and I tap this right into the product, and then I use the cap to like tap off the excess, and I just press it into the skin because this is the first product that I use after liquid. So you don't want to swipe and move around your foundation. So I just press this into the skin, and it does so lovely at setting the face. I'm very oily, and it keeps the shine at bay. The finish is just really pretty. It's not exaggerating any of my lines or anything like that. It just sets the face so beautifully, and it lasts all day. This really is probably my favorite product by Chanel. It's like a natural finish. You don't look cakey, not powdery at all, but it keeps you matte. So I really appreciate this product, and I very much recommend it to my oily girls. Don't fret if you're oily, by the way. I believe that oil is what is in the fountain of youth. So if your skin has shine and you're on more of like the oily side, then congratulations, you're not going to age. Next up, we have the Le Beige. This is the Healthy Glow Sheer Powder, and this is in number 70. I love this compact, by the way. Like, this to me is like the quintessential Chanel coloring, you know? I just love this so much. But the product itself, well, this is my fault. This isn't anything against Chanel, but I purchased this product in number 70 so I could use it as a contour. This isn't a contour. This is Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. And they mean it when they say sheer. This is very sheer. I didn't want to return it. I was thinking that I could use this when I want like a more natural, when do I ever look natural? Contour. If you apply a color this much darker than the rest of you and it has a sheer application, it is bound to look kind of blotchy and it doesn't sit as smoothly. I got my money's worth. I just put this on top of my contour and it just gives it that much more depth because this isn't the color that I usually use. I was just being silly when I purchased this. Also, this product in general really smells like perfume. Very, very strong perfume. So I have two blushers. They're just called powder blush. So I have 440 Quintessence right here. It's just like a nice pinky. This kind of reminds me of Melba, does it? I don't know, but just a little bit more pink. Today I am wearing number 350 Rosewood, and this has a little bit more of a purple color. It just has that little flush of purple in it. This has a really sheer application as well. These are not concentrated blushers at all. If you want a concentrated application, I definitely suggest that you go in with a synthetic brush. Another cheek product. Oh, like all my products are like right here. This is Chanel. I have the highlighting powder, and this is in 30 Rosy Gold. And this is a really pinky highlight. I love pinky highlight. I don't really wear gold that much. I don't have gold jewelry. I gravitate towards silver, but for highlight, I think it's really flattering to have pink. I think it's feminine and really cute. I've hit pan. This I apply with a fan brush, and I put this just right here on the high point of my cheek. It gives me so much dimension. And my whole face is pretty flat, but right here, it doesn't really go out that much. So I do appreciate manipulation of light to look like I have more structure to my face, and this product is perfect for that. I like to apply this all the way up here like that, and then just swirl it all around in this area. If I do want a beaming highlight, I still like to have this underneath, because you don't want like a matte face and then just like a beaming highlight. So even if you do want to go that extra step, apply this first. So this is the only highlight I have on today because I think it's all you need, but even if you want to go that extra mile, I do suggest you have this. It is such a perfect color, and I just like the way that it's a smooth highlight. I love the way that all these products blend together. I think it looks really chic. The more blended that you look, I think the more professional that your makeup looks. You know what I mean? So I actually had to look up how to use this product. This is the Chanel hand cream. There are a few different kinds. This is the one that's all over everyone's Instagrams, because when you are out at a coffee shop, of course you have this laying right beside your drink, right? Well, that's how it looks on Instagram. So I just wanted to try this out. It looks like an egg, and you like open it like this. It kind of looks like a deodorant stick. And I tried shoving like my nail in here and twisting this off. It's actually a squeeze tube. Just squeeze it out. It's good to know. And your hands do feel a lot softer. It's not greasy or anything like that. You just feel moisturized from within. So it like almost feels like plump and really lovely. So those are the Chanel cosmetics that I own and what I think about them. I'm definitely going to post when I get my purse in the mail. I did purchase it pre-loved, so I'll do a video all about that as well. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.